In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can scroll down and pick any of those themes by tapping on the chosen one. Quick tip, make sure to click on all of those icons at the top right corners to see all available options. After picking a perfect one, click on it. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wanna customize it though, go back to the same section in settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and tap on apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to manage keyboard's theme on your device, go into the same section in settings. To delete any of those themes from my themes section, just click on it and tap on bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You will always be able to download it again by clicking on it here. If you want to manage one of your custom themes, click on it. Tap on this pen at the top right corner to make any changes you wish. And then select Save. Make sure to tap on Apply to get this new theme right away. Or if you wanna get rid of any of them, click on it and tap on bin icon. This though will delete your theme permanently, so make sure you really want it. Click on bin icon and tap on Yes to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!